This next one, we're gonna do a hamstring bridge. So you need a couch, kitchen chair, bed if your bed is low enough. We're gonna lay on lay on our back. And similar to the glute bridge, which works the glutes, the hamstring bridge specifically targets the hamstrings. If you need a towel for your head, feel free to use it. From here, we are going to push our heels straight down to the table and lift our butt 1 to 2 inches. This is not a huge movement. We just want a gentle lift because the goal is to activate these hamstrings in a way that is using them functionally. So when we lift, we want to feel the back of the hamstring, which goes all the way from here, back into the ischial tuberosity, those bony parts right here. So we want to feel that entire area to make sure that when we are using our hamstrings, we're using our hamstrings. So we want to push down into our heel, lift, feel that the hamstring is working. When we do this, we get to the ischial tuberosity. I want you to slide right in and see if your butt is working. Oftentimes, the area around our anus, the rectum, will get tight, and we'll be using our lower pelvic floor, posterior pelvic floor, in order to lift and squeeze to get that movement. So for this, just think about wiggling it out, breathing in, inhale, lift, feel that motion, exhale, put down. And similar to the glute bridge, we want to see what our ribs are doing. So if when you do this, you find that your back is arching up in order to do it, just try and keep those ribs down. You can visualize a heavy weight being pushed down onto them. You can visualize your low back being extended. If you also feel like you're tucking your butt, you may want to point your tailbone towards the ground or towards the opposite side to help open and elongate. But if you feel like you have a big arch, you may actually want to tuck the butt under and make it lengthen so that you can get the movement through your hamstring. So see what works for you, but try and get just your hamstring working and not your posterior pelvic floor.